U-Haul packing supplies make it easy to pack, move, and store your framed items. Here's what you'll need: a picture packer kit, paper packing tape, a roll of large Enviro-Bubble, and of course, a U-Haul mirror picture box. For best protection, wrap your framed item in Enviro-Bubble wrap before packing it in the box. Secure the Enviro-Bubble in place using paper packing tape. Next, lay the frame down flat. Then add corner protectors to the corners of your frame. These protectors are sold separately in the U-Haul Picture Packer Kit. Secure the corner protectors in place using the 17-foot strap and buckle. To secure the buckle, first make a loop in the strap with the end side facing up. Feed this loop upwards through the opening in the buckle. Next, fold the tongue of the buckle down and through the loop. Then pull both sides of the strap firmly to tighten. Now, slide your framed item into the mirror box. Add crumpled sheets of Enviro-Bubble to the empty spaces in the box to prevent movement. For frames larger than 37 inches by 27 inches, you can combine 2 mirror boxes to create an expandable box that will fit up to 58 inches wide. For even bigger items, the large mirror box fits frames up to 48 inches by 32 inches, or up to 66 inches wide when combined with a second large mirror box. Be sure to seal these combined boxes with paper packing tape to secure your item in place. It's that easy to pack your artwork, mirrors, and other framed items for moving and storage.